Welcome to beautiful Tafjord, here on the western coast of Norway. These fjords have continuous access to clean, fresh, and high-quality water sources from the surrounding mountains, which is one of the many key advantages of our new, modern hatchery. The whole process starts here, where the eggs hatch in a nutrient-rich environment and develop into smolt, which grow bigger in our hatcheries. When the smolt reach a weight from 80 to 300 grams, they're transported to one of our 6 fish farms. All the fish in these farms grow with stable water temperatures and an ample oxygen supply. About 200,000 fish swim in each cage, and the harvested weight of each fish when it leaves the farm is about 4 kilograms. We use live fish carriers with the latest technology to ensure the welfare of the fish. Fully automatic washing systems, ultraviolet treatment of seawater, disinfection of pipes and tanks with ozone are important elements to ensure the quality of the fish until it's harvested. All the fish that we produce is harvested at this facility in the beautiful city of Ålesund, with its long traditions of excellence in fish. The fish is delivered fresh to our filleting plants. We have 3 plants for further processing, which are among the most modern in the world today. We produce a wide range of products, such as portions, fillets, and smoked products. Yield control ensures that nothing goes to waste, and the offcuts, head, backbone, and skin end up at Hofset BioCare within a few hours. Here, on the island of Midsund, lies our state-of-the-art processing plant, where we turn salmon offcuts into high-quality ingredients for human consumption. It all starts with the high-quality food-grade raw material that arrives fresh from the processing plant. Upon arrival, the raw material is inspected and analyzed before going into production. Batches of raw material that do not adhere to our standards are returned. The bens we use are washed at our facility before they are made available for transport back to the processing plants. Only our raw material is transported in these bens. The head, backbone, and skin are then minced before entering our 3 hydrolysis tanks. It's here that the magic happens, when raw material, water, and enzymes are added to gently liberate our 4 unique ingredients. We continuously run 3 different batches at a time, and each batch is ended before we start a new one. Every day, 6 days a week, we run 24 production batches, each with 3 metric tons of raw material, or an annual total of 20,000 metric tons. The first ingredient to exit the process is the bones. The pin bone and backbone from the salmon are separated through a filter and then washed before being transported into the drying and milling system. Here the bones are dried and crushed into a powder before being bagged on site. Back in the hydrolysis tanks, we're now left with protein and oil, which are separated using a centrifuge. The oil continues to another centrifuge where excess particles are removed, leaving the oil clear and transparent. The oil is then stored under nitrogen with nothing added. And in our own lab, Henrietta will make sure that the oil is within its specifications. The protein base now contains both soluble and non-soluble protein, which is separated into 2 different fractions. The non-soluble protein is dried in this flash dryer before ending up as a free-flowing, high-quality salmon meal bagged in 650-kilo big bags on site. The soluble protein fraction is put through 2 separate and specially made filters. In this last filter, we remove excess water to increase the dry matter of the liquid protein before it's sprayed dried into a free-flowing, highly soluble and bioactive powder. We have the option to bag directly into 650 kilo big bags or to repack into 20 kilo small bags.